My name's Sophie. I started at AW in 2017. I started as a Customer Liaison Advisor and I am now currently the Workshop Controller at the Nottingham site. I manage the 10 technicians, make sure the cars progress through the workshop correctly, that they are quality control checked at the end to make sure that they're in a good standard. Been in the role probably 2 years now, really enjoying it. AW have been great, they've really helped me along the way. They have put me on training for this specific job role. All of the technicians are very welcoming when I took on the new job, and they all have respect for me and we get on really well. So obviously they all know that we have targets to hit as well, so they want to work with me to get the best we can. Gender's never been an issue here, but it would be nice one day to become the first branch manager being female. Hopefully at some point that could happen.